This is my tutorial for a fall leaf mica swirl tumbler. I have already sanded my tumbler with an 80 grit sanding block, and now I'm ready to spray paint. I'll be spraying the paint onto my mug like an upside down V, but in hindsight, I wish I had gone diagonally like a swirl, since the end design is more of a twist slash swirl. I'm back from Ohio visiting the fam, and it didn't leave me much time to plan for today's tutorial, so I decided to just have fun and experiment. And as with all experiments, there's lots of testing and perfecting, and should I do this design again in the future, I definitely would change some things, starting with doing a swirl for my paint, and in our next step, swirl the glitter as well. So with this tumbler, I kind of wanted to experiment with doing a peekaboo for my fall leaves in just like one section, then glittering over that one section and blending it into the background, similar to what we did on the Starry Night tumbler. Be sure to save this overcast glitter, you guys. It is the most gorgeous looking peacocky teal gold maroon blend that I've ever seen. It is so pretty. Let this layer cure, seal with a clear sealer, then epoxy till smooth, and then we'll be ready to add our stencils. Now, another thing that I will be tweaking the next time I do this design is doing fewer leaves and making them bigger. I think it would have made the final design look a tad less busy in the middle, but that's just my preference. You can do whatever you like. Okay, so first of all, excuse my big old hand all up in your face. I am so sorry. I kind of realize it later on and I do ease back a little bit, but for just like this one little section, I'm sorry about that, y'all. Sorry. So for this layer, we'll be doing what I mentioned earlier and only glittering over the peekaboo section, then blending it in with the background. So I applied a super thin layer of epoxy and I'm just applying my glitter using the epoxy method right on top of that peekaboo section. I'm not glittering over the whole cup. Let this layer cure, seal until smooth, then we'll be ready to add our outlines. For this tumbler, I decided to go with the brown textured vinyl to give the leaves a more subtle look, but with the other one, I used gold textured vinyl just to see what it would look like. I'm partial to the brown because it makes the leaves look a tad less busy since they're kind of a lot. There's too many, but I love the look of the gold as well. I think it would look awesome on the fewer but bigger leaf design I spoke of earlier. Extra something to the design, I decided to play with mica powders, but you don't have to, of course, and you can totally skip this step if you like. I decided to leave this design quote or decal free. I decided, I mean, it looks, it's fine as is. Plus I didn't feel like dealing with a decal. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun experimenting with your own fall leaf mica swirl designs, and I'll see you again next time.